What was the weirdest rumor you've ever heard about yourself? 1. Somebody who I went to elementary school with told me that they thought I was so tall as a kid because they thought my mom had died when I was a young age, and somehow I turned the grief into size. My mom is still alive and well, FYI. 2. When I was 12, the neighborhood Avon lady came by to drop off my mom's order one day. Avon lady told her that she had heard I had slept with all of my guy friends, including her son. She also refused to tell my mom who she had heard this rumor from. I lost my virginity at 20 lol. 3. That I died. I crashed my motorcycle and no one could contact me for a bit. I got out of the hospital and I had a bunch of memorial messages posted on my Facebook. 4. I was overweight as a kid. After sophomore year, I decided I wanted to lose weight and be more athletic. Spent the whole summer exercising.